Prepare to upgrade your toolkit. These 15 tools will blow your mind with game-changing design, precision, and practicality. From clever multi-tools to high-tech gadgets, each one solves everyday problems in unexpected ways. Whether you're a weekend DIYer, pro tradesperson, or gadget lover, get ready for innovations that save time, spark creativity, and make work genuinely fun and inspire bold confidence. RYOBI 40 Volt HP. Brushless, 850 cubic feet per minute. Backpack blower. The RYOBI 40 Volt HP, priced at $599. Brushless, 850 cubic feet per minute. Backpack blower redefines outdoor cleanup with cordless convenience and gas-like power. Equipped with 40 volt HP technology, it integrates a high-performance brushless motor, advanced electronics, and premium lithium batteries to deliver up to 850 CFM and 180 mph of airflow. This powerhouse easily handles damp leaves, compacted grass, and heavy debris with less noise and zero emissions. Designed for comfort, the backpack style evenly distributes weight, reducing fatigue during extended use. Offering more power than a 58 cubic centimeter gas blower without fuel or maintenance hassles, the RYOBI 40 volt backpack blower is built for serious yard work. AirSpade 5000 Arbor Series. The AirSpade 5000 Arbor Series, the ROLLINGDOG Paint Pal, is a versatile, multifunctional tool designed to simplify painting projects for both professionals and DIY users. Featuring a durable, lightweight plastic handle with an ergonomic grip, it ensures comfortable carrying of paint cans. The built-in magnetic brush holder securely holds your brush over the can, preventing drips and keeping your workspace clean. Its metal-tipped end functions as a convenient can opener, while the concaved side easily removes excess paint from rollers, reducing waste and mess. Compact yet practical, the Paint Pal combines durability, efficiency, and comfort, making it an essential companion for any painting task. The ROLLINGDOG Paint Pal is a versatile, multifunctional tool designed to simplify painting projects for both professionals and DIY users. Featuring a durable, lightweight plastic handle with an ergonomic grip, it ensures comfortable carrying of paint cans. The built-in magnetic brush holder securely holds your brush over the can, preventing drips and keeping your workspace clean. Its metal-tipped end functions as a convenient can opener, while the concave side easily removes excess paint from rollers, reducing waste and mess. Compact yet practical, the Paint Pal combines durability, efficiency, and comfort, making it an essential companion for any painting task. AnyDust. The AnyDust adventures are no match for the Bosch Fontus 18Vi-6, the ultimate portable cleaning solution. Designed for life on the go, this cordless washer features an integrated 6-litre tank and a 2.8 metre hose, giving you freedom to clean without a power outlet or tap. Powered by the 18-volt power for all battery, it offers 2 pressure modes: high for stubborn dirt and eco for delicate rinses. With 4 versatile spray patterns, from wide fan to precision jet, it adapts to every task. The included claw brush tackles tires, gears, and tricky spots, while onboard storage keeps all accessories neatly packed. The GRABO High-Flow. The GRABO High-Flow, priced at $599.99, sets a new standard in lifting technology. Building on the trusted performance of the original GRABO, the High-Flow introduces unmatched power with a vacuum flow rate of 1.5 cubic meters per minute. This revolutionary tool can grip even the most porous materials, making it the strongest handheld portable vacuum tool ever created. Its ergonomic pistol grip design enhances comfort and control, allowing users to lift, move, and install heavy materials with ease and confidence. Whether on construction sites or industrial projects, the GRABO High-Flow delivers precision, safety, and reliability for the toughest lifting challenges. Einhell Cordless Hose Reel. The Einhell Cordless Hose Reel, priced at €154.99, GEHR 18/30-1. LiSolo makes garden watering effortless and convenient. Powered by an 18-volt power X-change battery, it automatically retracts the included 30-meter UV-resistant hose at the push of a button, preventing kinks and keeping it clean with integrated brushes. Its durable UV and splash-proof drum ensures long-lasting outdoor use, while the residual water drain keeps it dry. Flexible in design, it can be wall-mounted with a 90-degree pivot or used as a portable unit. Complete with quick couplings and a sprayer, this reel saves time and effort, though battery and charger are sold separately. Collomix XQ. The Collomix XQ, priced at £275, Mixer Series, is the ultimate solution for professionals who demand precision and durability. Designed for the toughest construction site requirements, it delivers consistent, high-quality results when mixing epoxy resin mortar, concrete, cement screed, or any type of mortar. With its intuitive display, you can easily control mixing time and speed at the touch of a button, ensuring perfect mixes without stress. This advanced control prevents defects and costly rework, even with today's demanding materials. Built with robust, long-lasting components, the XQ series guarantees reliability and performance for years, making it a smart investment for construction professionals. Hilti Nuron HDE 500-22 Cordless Adhesive Dispenser. The Hilti Nuron HDE 500-22 Cordless Adhesive Dispenser, priced at $309, is a high-performance tool designed for concrete and masonry applications. Powered by the Nuron platform, it delivers precise and efficient adhesive dispensing with milliliter accuracy using its dosing wheel and the Hilti Volume Calculator app. Smart memory functions, including repeat and resume, ensure consistent applications and minimal waste. LED indicators enhance safety by confirming correct mortar placement and alerting users when cartridges are nearly empty. With cordless convenience, longer battery life, and data tracking capabilities, the HDE 522 improves anchoring speed, reliability, and productivity across a wide range of fastening applications. Wagner FLEXiO 1500 Sprayer. The Wagner FLEXiO 1500 is a versatile handheld paint sprayer designed for small to medium projects. Equipped with the powerful X-Boost turbine, it sprays unthinned paints, primers, and stains with ease. Its eye spray nozzle ensures even coverage on large surfaces like walls, fences, and sheds. Lightweight and compact, it reduces fatigue while offering adjustable settings for material flow and spray pattern width. The lock-and-go system allows quick disassembly for easy cleaning, delivering a smooth, professional finish up to 7 times faster than a brush. It's perfect for interior and exterior painting and staining with efficiency and precision. LS65. The Wolff Strip Cutter LS65, priced at £2,220, is a professional-grade 18-volt, cordless tool engineered for precision cutting of vinyl, lino, and rubber. With a working width of up to 65 centimeters, it's perfect for producing skirting boards, friezes, and stair coverings. Its powerful motor runs at 8,500 RPM, ensuring fast and accurate results, even on tough materials. Weighing just 6.2 kilograms without battery, it offers excellent portability on job sites. The complete set includes two 5 amp-hour batteries, a charger, saw blade, toolkit, dust bag, and protective goggles, making it an all-in-one solution for flooring professionals seeking reliability and efficiency. PROMOTECH Pro 40 AD. The PROMOTECH Pro 40 AD-ATEX is a game-changing pneumatic magnetic drilling machine built for hazardous and confined environments. With an ultra-low profile of just 185 mm, it delivers unmatched performance in steel structures, H-beams, plates, and machine maintenance. Engineered with a magnetic base optimized for round materials, it ensures maximum stability and precision. This lightweight portable tool produces up to 40 mm holes with annular cutters and 16 mm holes with twist drills. 19 mm Weldon shank. Safety is enhanced with a sliding guard, while its extended cutting diameter boosts versatility. The Pro 40 AD-ATEX is compact, powerful, and reliable. xTool MetalFab. The xTool MetalFab, priced at $15,999, is transforming metalworking into a craft that's as approachable as woodworking. Designed to eliminate complexity, it blends industrial-grade performance with user-friendly simplicity. From precision welding to expert-level cutting, every project feels seamless, even for beginners. Equipped with a powerful fiber laser, dual camera system, and beginner-friendly software, it ensures accuracy and ease from the very first use. With 24/7 stable output and reliable performance in temperatures from -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, MetalFab is built for serious makers. Whether in a garage or workshop, it's your all-in-one solution for unlocking creativity and redefining what's possible with metal. BULLTEC Power. The BULLTEC Power, priced at $69, meet the 24-volt beast that's redefining tools in 2025. The BULLTEC Power is built for those who refuse to settle for weak, outdated gear. With exceptional torque, long-lasting battery life, and a multi-purpose design, this tool is perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. From drilling to cutting and quick repairs, it adapts effortlessly to every task. Engineered with durability and precision in mind, it delivers consistent high-performance results every time. Compact yet powerful, is your go-to solution for any project. Upgrade your toolkit today and experience why experts call it the ultimate essential tool of the year. Environmental impact. Toro Electric Ultra Buggy. The Toro Electric Ultra Buggy represents the next generation of material handling. Designed for efficiency and convenience, its compact frame allows easy maneuverability in tight spaces while providing exceptional runtime. Powered by Toro's advanced hypercell battery technology, the Ultra Buggy delivers performance comparable to gas-powered models, with up to 8 hours of continuous operation on a single charge. The durable polyethylene tub is built to transport all types of materials with ease. With zero engine exhaust emissions, it's an eco-friendly solution that keeps crews productive and projects moving smoothly, all while reducing environmental impact.